Learn Danish fast. Have equals.
Hey.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready for a quick, funny boost to your Danish? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master have in Danish, base verb,
Hey.
and the must-know present forms. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently use every form of have. We'll hit bite-size patterns, playful mini-dialogues, and a speedy quiz so you can say things like, I have time, she has the keys, and you have tickets, in smooth Danish. Smile, this will be fun. Forms you need, quick fire. Repeat after me and keep it bouncy. Have. Danish base.
Hey.
I have.
Jeg har.
You have, sing.
Du har.
He has.
Han har.
She has.
Hun har.
It has.
Det har.
We have.
Vi har.
You have, plural.
I har.
They have.
De har.
Laugh and learn dialogues. Listen in, then echo the Danish out loud. A. Do you have the keys? B. Yes.
Jeg har.
Noglern. A. Wait, I thought he had them. B. Nope.
Han har.
Snack scene. A. Crisis averted, she has the map. B. Of course.
Hun har.
Quartet. A. What about the robot? B. Relax.
Det har.
Battery knock. A. Team check. Do we have tickets? B. Yes.
Vi har.
Billettern. A. Hey, you all have the wristbands, right? B. Yup.
I har.
Armbandine. A. Last question. Do they have a plan? B. Big time.
De har.
En plan og café. Culture tip. Café survival. Use your new superpower in real life. At a Danish cafe, you might hear, do you have oat milk? That's
Har I havremælk?
talking to your group, confirm proudly.
I har.
Billettern. And if it's about the place itself, it has a big garden.
Det har.
En store have. Mini drill. Call and response. I say English, you fire back in Danish, go. I have.
Jeg har.
You have, sing.
Du har.
He has.
Han har.
She has.
Hun har.
It has.
Det har.
We have.
Vi har.
You have, plural.
I har.
They have.
De har.
Quick quiz, no pressure. Answer out loud, then I'll give you the key. Ch.1. Translate, they have, into Danish. A.
De har.
Q2. Say, we have time today. A.
Vi har.
Tid I dag. Q3. The house? It has a garden. A. Huset?
Det har.
And have. Q4. You, sing, have the book. A.
Du har.
Boggin. Q5. Source verb check. What's the base for have in Danish? A.
Hey.
Final challenge. Time to flex your memory with tiny scenes. Say, I have a question.
Jeg har.
Et spørgsmål. Tell a friend, you have the phone. Sing.
Du har.
Telefonen. Confirm, she has the ticket.
Hun har.
Billetten. Update, it has arrived.
Det har.
Ankommet. Group win, we have the solution.
Vi har.
Lösningen. To your team, you have 3 minutes. Plural.
I har.
3 minuter. Gossip, nice kind, they have a new car.
De har.
NNY Bill. Thank you from Synapse Lingo. You nailed it, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, have, in Danish.
Hey, jeg har. Du har. Han har. Hun har. Det har. Vi har. I har. De har.
For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.